Oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide contains 2 to 10 monosaccharide units which are joined by alpha or beta glycosidic linkage. 2 monosaccharide units when joined, they forms disaccharides. 3 monosaccharide units forms trisaccharides. 4, 5 forms tetra or pentasaccharides. The most abundant oligosaccharides are disaccharides. They are widely distributed in nature, whereas other oligosaccharides are found in limited amount. Only trisaccharides, raffinose, is found in some plants. The major disaccharides which are widely distributed in nature are lactose, maltose, which are very familiar to all of them. Lactose, maltose. Besides this, there are several other disaccharides which are found in limited amounts, such as cellobiose, isomaltose, trehalose. Sucrose is also widely distributed in the nature. Disaccharides are classified into two types. They are reducing disaccharides and non-reducing disaccharides. Reducing disaccharides, which are formed by the joining of two monosaccharide units in such a way that the functional group of one monosaccharide remains free. So they show the reducing power and have positive test with failing or Benedict solution. Whereas non-reducing disaccharides, when two monosaccharide units joins in such a way that their functional group participate in the formation of glycosidic bond, so they does not show any reaction. So they are non-reducing disaccharides. There are several examples of reducing disaccharides, including maltose, lactose, isomaltose and cellobiose. Whereas the example of non-reducing disaccharides is sucrose and trehalose. So the first example is maltose. Maltose contains two glucose units which are joined by alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage. Maltose is found in the plants. They are distributed in limited amounts and they are especially found in millets such as sprouting barley. Sprouting barley is the major source of malt and malt contains maltose. Maltose is hydrolyzed by enzyme maltase and forms two equimolar mixture of glucose molecules. So maltose is reducing because the functional group of second monosaccharide, means carbon number 1, remains free. So other example is lactose. Lactose is also widely found in the nature and they are generally from animal sources. Milk and milk products are the good source of lactose. There are several differences in the lactose content of the different type of the milk. Cow milk have less lactose, whereas buffalo milk has more lactose. Lactose contains galactose and glucose. Galactose and glucose are joined by beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. So lactose is hydrolyzed by lactase and forms two equimolar mixture of galactose and glucose. There is a disease which are also associated with the lactose. This is lactose intolerance. There are some peoples which lack lactase enzyme, lactase, which digests the lactose and breaks the beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. So they cannot digest the milk. After the ingestion of the milk, they create gastric disorders such as vomiting and abdominal pain. This condition is known as lactose intolerance. About 21% of Indian people suffers from lactose intolerance. Cellobiose. Cellobiose is another example of reducing disaccharides. They are not found free in the nature. They are generally hydrolyzed, partially hydrolytic product of cellulose. In the cellobiose, two glucose molecules are joined by beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Isomaltose. Isomaltase is also not found in the nature. They are the partially hydrolyzed product of starch. So isomaltose contains two glucose molecules which are joined by alpha-1,6 glycosidic linkage. Alpha-1,6 glycosidic linkage. These are the example of reducing disaccharides. In non-reducing disaccharides, the well-known example is sucrose. Sucrose, generally called common sugar or table sugar, which are sweet in taste and contains glucose and fructose. Sucrose is generally produced from sugarcane and beetroot. A small amount of sugar is also found in the pineapple and some other plants, but the major source of sucrose is sugarcane and beetroot. In the sucrose, glucose and fructose are joined by alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage. Sucrose always exists in D form, but when hydrolyzed by sucrase, it forms glucose and L-fructose. L-fructose is sweet in taste and have more sweet taste than in comparison to D-fructose. So, the hydrolytic product which contains glucose and fructose by the enzyme sucrase, it is more sweet than the normal sucrose molecule because L-fructose is more sweet in the taste. So, this is the reason why honey is more sweet than sugar. So, glucose and fructose which are joined by alpha-1 linkage are hydrolyzed by sucrase. Sucrase is also called invertage. Invertage means the sucrose always exists in D form, but invertage when hydrolyzed and glucose and fructose are separated, fructose exists in L form. Leo rotatory form of the fructose is more sweet. So, invert the product which contains glucose and fructose or invert syrup. Invert syrups are more sweet than sucrose. There are several alternatives of the sucrose is also available which are used in large amount, but they are not carbohydrate. For example, saccharine. Saccharine is the most widely used sucrose alternative. After the World War I, they are extensively used to fulfill the deficit amount of sucrose. Saccharine is 400 times sweet than sucrose. But the use of saccharine is dangerous because it contains amino group and not carbohydrate. So it is harmful for the health. Other example of the non-reducing disaccharides is 3-hallose. Because 3-hallose contains two glucose molecules which are joined by alpha-1,1 glycosidic linkage. They are found in the hemolymph of insects and functions as the major energy source. It is also found in yeast and algae, but the major amount is present in the hemolymph of the insects and they serve as energy source. 3-hallose contains two glucose molecules which are joined by alpha-1,1 glycosidic linkage. Glucose contains their functional group at the carbon number 1. So, alpha-1,1 means the functional group of glucose remains involved in the formation of glycosidic linkage. So, they do not show any reaction with failing or benedict solution and they are considered as non-reducing disaccharide.